It is Wednesday, June 9th, 2010. I apologize for the lack of video or post yesterday on Chartrat.com. There were problems with my computer. Now we're looking at a chart of the S&P 500. This is a 15-minute chart, and I'll draw in a vertical line since this is an intraday chart. Anything after this point is today. We came up in the morning, came up, and then started to sell off. Sold off very heavily in here. And here it looked like we were going to have a gravestone doji if we kind of just to that level, maybe around here. Looked like we were going to have a gravestone doji, which is very, very bearish. It is when you have a doji where the open and the close are always at the same point, but they're at the exact low of the day. But as it turned out, we did not. We did get below the key 61 points on the S&P. The volume was a little less than I would have liked for a day like this, but that's alright, can't have everything. The high of the day just barely touched the 9-day moving average, tagged it perfectly, and so, remove that, it's a very bearish sign here. It almost looks kind of like in the opposite of, it almost looks like an upside down hammer candle pattern a little bit. Now if we zoom out a little bit, in here the 1040.39 level right here, it's a very important level and we are approaching it. If we grab this, we are approaching it. It's this, make that a red line there. It's this red line here. If we can get below that, and also if we can get below this line, but this line isn't nearly as significant, we could head to 946.52, and of course our eventual price target of 824. Or excuse me, I'm sorry. Eventual price target down here. I've kind of moved it from being a very specific price target to being a very broad general price target, I think, just because that's the only fair thing to do, because we're not really sure if the market will act like it did in the early 1970s. But, you know, it could get as low as 748, or could only drop to 945. I'm thinking something like the high 700s as an intermediate term price target would be likely. You can see during this downtrend here, the volume has increased greatly. That's definitely a bearish signal. OIH, the Holders Oil Service ETF here. We had a similar pattern unfold there. It was down close to 1% on OIH, and I expect to see OIH break down and head maybe to this level here eventually at 74.56. That's all for today. I'm TSDTRADER from Chartrat.com. Thanks for watching.